What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to do, yes, if you probably guessed it by this package right there, we are going to be doing an unboxing of, you guessed it, a prize, or what I would call it, the winner prize. This was sent to me by a viewer. Thank you, viewer. YouTube user, Thithenkrop Dover, I believe, 3717. Was doing a giveaway, and I was one of them to enter, so let's do that right now. And as you can see, I'm already opening the package, and now here comes the moment of truth. As you can see, it says first place winner. Yay. Obviously I was, and now I'm gonna open it. Let's see what we got. First of all, you're gonna see something like this, and you're gonna see another package. If I open this up, here you go. Yay, you win in first place. Enjoy the 4 maps. Thank you. And here's the YouTube channel. I'll have a link in the description so you can subscribe to him. And here we go. This is the moment of truth. The 126, the 55, 355, 442, and then the 260/762. I actually live just half a mile from the 260, so that shouldn't be a big deal. So yeah, so there you go. That's the unboxing of the Metro schedules. I'm gonna title this mystery unboxing from a viewer. So yeah, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure you like and subscribe, as I wouldn't even say it usually. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. And make sure you hit the bell icon and then hit all if you see this pop up. So yeah, there you go. I'll see you next time.